Today, I would like all of you to think what will be left from your life if you multiply it by 0. I know it sounds mathematical and you may not like it, but don't worry, I'm not going to talk about calculus or trigonometry here today. Instead, I will tell you how you can apply simple math in your daily life without knowing that you're applying it. In real life, fundamental mathematical rules can change. I want to point it out this way. Your life is you multiplied by the things that you have done. A lot of people may consider their doings less than 1 and greater than -1, and that is 0. But does this mean that really the result you getting multiplied is 0? My passion for math has brought me here today. Mainly because I think the math textbooks and math of real life are two different things. In math of real life, you can never multiply your life by 0. It is because every single act that you have done counts as something. As human beings, we all want to please others, make them feel good about us and gain their appreciation. We feel responsible for this. But the worst, a lot of people spend their life to impress and please the others. And that is the biggest mistake. Because we should not shape our lives around others' opinion nor their advices. Because not everyone gives good advices. So here we should be able to choose whether the advice is good or not. And we can only choose it if we know what we want to achieve in our lives. So we have to have a goal, we have to dream for something, we have to work for it, and at the end we have to achieve it. We have to be aware that there will be a lot of obstacles that will try to stop us. But if we really want to do something, we should try no matter how hard it is. A lot of people fear failure through the path to their goals. So that is because failure is seen as the worst thing that can happen to someone. It is not as bad as a lot of people think it is. Failure is road to success, and if we know how we can learn from our failures, we can see that it is not that scary. Besides the fear of failure, a lot of people fear judgment. A lot of people fear what others are talking about them and thinking about them. As a lot of people, I had this fear too. I have been scared of others' opinions, words, and bullies. And that was why I avoided being heard and talking in front of people. That's the reason a lot of people was not expecting from me to come and talk in front of people. Me neither. One day, with the motivation that was given to me by my friend and my teacher, I did it. I talked in front of 20 people. That was not a big number, but it was a great step for me. Because I learned that I can do that. And after that, I learned that I should not care about others talking about what others are talking about me and thinking about me. Maybe I still shake when I speak in front of people, but now I know what I really want to do with my life. So I do not mind this. So here is a time when math comes to the work. Every step that you are doing through your path is one number. You can give it a number according to their importance. So you have to add these numbers, and at the end of the addition, you have to multiply the sum by 0. According to the math rules, every number that is multiplied by 0 gives 0. But here this changes. If you have impacted someone positively, you will never get 0 as a result. You will get infinite. I like maths, but I cannot calculate how many people did this mistake at the end of the problem. They never feel fulfilled, and they never feel proud of themselves. And that is the time when they get 0. My passion for maths has led me to quite a lot of challenges. I got 17 out of 100 in a math exam. And that was the first time I felt such a big failure. And I multiplied my life by 0, so I could start once again. Then I got 17 out of 100 again, but this time in a more advanced level, because I was fulfilled and I was proud of myself. A lot of students asked to their teachers, why we need maths in our everyday life? Here is the answer. We can use maths to find out if our lives is good and valuable enough. So if you are fulfilled and if you think that you have lived a good life, you will never get 0 as a result. Instead, you will get infinite. And this is the time when you prove that 0 is not equal to 0. Instead, it is equal to infinite. Thank you.